YouTube is flooded with skincare videos. Many has made many videos on yaar ye karo, wo karo, but the problem doesn't end.
Okay, cool down. That's why we have made this complete package video just for you guys as requested to get a healthy and glowing skin from within.
According to Ayurveda, the disbalance of the three bioenergies, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha, is involved in causing skin diseases. So let's check out how to keep your skin healthy from within, starting from the very beginning of the day. At first, freshen yourself up and start the day with a cup of lukewarm water. Remember, keeping yourself hydrated throughout the day is very essential. Drink at least 2 liters or 8 to 10 glasses of water daily.
Bath with lukewarm water. Avoid using hot or very hot water as it causes dryness and plus it's winter. Now you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or olive oil in your bucket of water. This will add a layer to your skin. You can also do abhyanga, that is massaging of the body before bathing. While mopping the body, avoid rubbing it vigorously, rather pat dry your skin very gently. Now just after mopping, immediately moisturize your skin with a moisturizer or oil such as coconut oil, olive oil or almond oil. So just after taking bath, your skin remains moist, and to keep this moistness intact, you need to moisturize your body just after taking bath.
Additional tip for you guys who have dry skin, you can use mild soap containing glycerin.
If you have dry skin, then no need to use soap regularly for bathing. You can use soap to wash your armpits or your genital regions. Apart from that, you can use soap once or twice a week.
Take one banana and mash it well. Now add 2 tsf of honey to it and apply it over your face and leave it for 20 minutes and then wash with lukewarm water and pat dry it. Next comes scrubbing. Remember, avoid regular scrubbing during winter. Now you can use this Ayurvedic formulation, that is of Triphala and honey. You can use it for scrubbing. Also you can use it as face masks. Leave it for a few minutes and whenever it gets dry, then wash it with plain lukewarm water. Very easy and simple. You can get it in any Ayurvedic store. Make a paste of these ingredients in equal amount, useful for acne, pimple and to get a clear skin.
If you don't want to make any mixture or any paste, you can use any one of these and apply in your face regularly, such as aloe vera, honey, papaya or turmeric, and you will see good results in few days.
Before going to bed, soak your legs in warm water. Avoid using stone scrub to peel off the skin. It will make your skin harsh and sometimes it may cause unnecessary bleeding. And then gently rub your skin after soaking and pat dry it. Now there are two methods. Number 1, use glycerin directly over the cracked area. Number 2, use glycerin with Boroplus and apply it over the cracked heels.
Now don't use glycerin directly over your face because it will cause you pimple. You can use it with rose water, but while applying on heels you can use it directly and within few days you will see the results.
During corona pandemic, regular hand washing and sanitizing makes your skin dry, or working in kitchen make your skin dry, then you can use ghee or also you can use glycerin for this purpose. Also make a habit of keeping a small lotion in your bag and use it whenever necessary.
Let's now show you some yoga asanas that's good for the skin. First comes Anulom Vilom. Next comes Shadmukhi Mudra. For that you need to sit in Padmasana or any Sukha Asana. Roll your tongue, inhale the breath, hold it inside the mouth. Now close your eyes and put your fingers as shown in the video. Lock your chin and hold the breath for some time. Now unlock the chin and release the breath slowly. Remember, this yoga asana is very essential for you to get good glowing healthy skin. Next is Sarvanga Asana. And then comes Halasana.
Meditation. Meditation helps you to free yourself from all kinds of worries and help your body to heal and be healthy from within. First comes avoid staying awake too late or having disturbed sleep, and smoking alcohol and coffee. Yes, decrease its intake or avoid its intake. Instead, switch to something that is healthy and wholesome, because internal healing is important to keep your skin healthy. For that, you can also take 1 tablespoon of ghee on regular basis to keep your skin healthy. Also remember, it is advisable to take satin or silk pillows, because cotton or woolen pillows may cause friction on your skin and cause wrinkle in long run. Avoid touching your face frequently, because your hands may have germs which may cause you unnecessary pimples. Now let's talk what to use according to different skin types. Vata Prakriti person, that is people whose skin are dry, thin, delicate, can use Mahanarayan Tela, Vala Telam. When pitta in your body gets aggravated, then this kind of persons will have more burning sensation in your body, sweating, and is more susceptible to rashes. You can use Brahmi Telam. You can also use coconut oil for massaging your body, or Abhyanga to get a healthy skin. If kapha gets aggravated in kapha prakriti person, they will have oily skin, more prone to enlarged pores, even pimples. In that case, you can use hot substances. Also, you can have haldi and honey together. You can use mustard oil for massaging your body externally.
So now, before going to the bed, wash your face with clean water and gently pat dry it. Use glycerin or rose water or normal water. You can use aloe vera. Massage your face gently. And then sleep well, because sleeping well is also essential for clean, glowing skin to maintain the circadian rhythm.
Bonus tips: eat wholesome food, or keep your stomach, intestine, that is your gut, healthy with healthy food. Number 2, while oiling your hair, oil it half an hour or 1 hour before washing your hair, because if you keep the oil more for long time, then extra dirt and dust will get attracted to your hair and it will have unnecessary problems. Last tip: praise yourself whether you have dark skin or blemishes or freckles. Once you are comfortable about yourself, it is natural to glow from within.
Hey guys, we had fun shooting this video.
Hope this video was quite informative for you,
And do like and share our video, and do subscribe to White Coat Bees.
because we make videos on health and lifestyle.
So we are going to see you in the next week with a new video. Until then, bye bye.